This is Dan Clevenger, Pure Pro Products, here again with NBA greats Tom Van Arsdale and Oscar Robertson, and of course Dr. Fred Graff. And we're here to talk about the merits and the experiences that these people have enjoyed with the BioBack, Dr. Graff's creation. I know, Oscar, you've had a long time problems with your back.
Yeah, I had sciatica pretty bad with the Bucks. I mean, I tell you, please don't get sciatica because it's devastating sometimes. And I think to have something to assist you is really wonderful. And you know, now that I'm out of sports and whatnot, this is great when I go shopping with my wife.
Yeah.
My back really gets tired when I go shopping with my wife.
Yeah.
But this is wonderful. I think it gives you tremendous support.
Well, unfortunately, Oscar, this BioBack is going to allow you to perform a lot more shopping these days because it works on the endurance muscles of the back, giving them longevity to perform activities. So you'll be shopping a whole lot more these days.
I have to shop a lot these days, I'm going to tell you.
The whole purpose of the BioBack is to help people suffering from back pain live a more active lifestyle. Okay? The BioBack was created several years ago from a renowned sculptor who had actually fallen one night in the studio working on an acrylic sculpture and landed on his back. Couldn't get up for 2 hours until he recognized some duct tape and 2 pieces of acrylic. And he put 1 piece of acrylic on his stomach and 1 on his back and duct taped it together. And after lying there for a couple hours, was able to finally get up and go to the hospital. Once at the hospital, they took the device off and he collapsed. And the doctors looked at him and said, "How in the heck did you even get in here in your condition?" After an evaluation, they revealed 3 fractured vertebrae in the spine. And that's when this device has been created. Okay, so then we've taken a step or 2 further, did some clinical research on it, and what we found was that BioBack was actually able to reduce endurance muscles in the deep back, okay, providing the user longevity to perform activities before these muscles would start to fatigue. And when someone injures their back, typically they have reoccurring back trouble. And the reason for that is these endurance muscles in the deep back tend to spontaneously atrophy following injury. And unless an individual actively rehabs the back correctly, these atrophied muscles remain weakened, and anytime they go and perform a lot of shopping, they start to fatigue early and cause reoccurring back trouble.
Real early.
When I used the product a few months ago, speaking of bad backs, Oscar, the reason you had a bad back when you played is because you played with me and you had to carry me.
No.
That's the why you had a bad back.
Just wear and tear, you know.
Wear and tear.
That's
But
true.
what I really like about the BioBack is the ease of putting it on and taking it off, and the pressure it puts in the front and the back. And I find I work in my workshop a lot. I do woodworking, and that causes lower back stress, lower back pain, because you're kind of bending over and putting pressure on your lower back. And I take the BioBack out and wear it when I'm working in the workshop. I also do it when I'm walking, and it just feels good.
What the BioBack helps an individual to do is maintain a more correct posture. So when you're out there bending a long time in your workshop and wearing that BioBack, it's going to help you maintain a more correct posture. And anytime you have a more correct posture, you're going to take pressure and strain off your back, and you're going to move well. And as you both know from sports, if you move well, you're going to age well. Okay, so the key is allowing longevity not only to your daily activities, but a more productive and active lifestyle.
Well, you know, I mean, it's amazing that what your body goes through.
No.
But now I'm paying for a lot of that stuff
Oh,
now,
no.
so this is why the BioBack really helps my back quite a bit.
Dan, I was impressed when I got my first one. The packaging, doctor, that you did, and the DVD that comes with it,
They're very nice.
and tells you how to fit the BioBack, personally fit it, and you know, unless you're a size 810, you can adjust it to fit anybody. So, and then once you get it adjusted, it's so easy to put on and take off.
This is an outstanding product, and what's nice about all of the Pure Pro products is that they're all really very simply put together, and they're all very, very safe products, and they're convenient to use.